Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake using Banana Easy method. Start by gathering ripe bananas, milk, ice cream, sweetener, and a blender. Peel and slice your bananas and place them into the blender. Add milk and 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream for a creamy base, then sweeten to taste with honey or sugar. Blend until smooth, pour into chilled glasses, and enjoy a simple home. Start with ripe bananas because they add natural sweetness and smooth texture. Measure ingredients precisely: 1 to 2 bananas, 1 cup milk, and 2 scoops ice cream. Use cold milk for a thicker shake and add a handful of ice if you want it extra chilled. Optional: a tablespoon of honey or a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Place everything in the blender and pulse until creamy and lump-free. Blend in short bursts to avoid overmixing and to keep a light, airy texture. If the shake is too thick, pour in 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk and blend briefly. For a thinner, milkier result, use more milk. For richer taste, add another scoop of ice cream. Taste and adjust sweetness, then pour into chilled glasses. Garnish with banana slices or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra touch before serving.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.